and today we are opening this Barbie toy, and we post videos every Friday and Monday, and my cousin got me this actually, so I wasn't expecting it, and I've been wanting this for a long time, so let's get opening it, like 5 years. Can you pull it? Oh, here we go. Pull that. Okay, this is cool. Out the window. There we go. There we go. And this, trying to open everything, how everything goes. Okay, let's open this bag. This goes here. Boom. And I want the dogs to be able to jump high. So there we go. I made one. Then other little stuff. Okay, first they have like these bowls, so I'm gonna put those right here on the side. So they can grab their food. And then this one probably goes not there. Waiting, people! This is the time been waiting for. Put these little cat yarn in there. Then I have to grab these little stuff. My voice is kind of funny because I'm talking like this. I'm putting the stuff wherever I want to. So I'll put the leashes over here. Right here in this little cabinet drawer. Cabinet slash drawer. I like saying slash. The park will be out here for like all their fun stuff. Case, no. They have their own colors. Casey, Macy, Lissy, Kendry, sleeps there, and Fifi. Just have to add more details with all the stuff that it came with. What's this? There you go. Here is Mama. Here is home. I learned that. I made that fun though. Where is that? Huh? Can you help me, Mama? Still don't know what it is, but cool. Got a bed, then a cat's bed. Right there. I'll take the pink yarn and hang it right there. Are you ready for the pets? Some small, some's big, some is giant, some's very little, and we don't want to scare them. So we have to be very, very quiet. Introducing Mama Chanel. This is Mama Chanel. And I don't know what this is. Probably a dog toy. Chanel likes to go on the seesaw and play and eat. Next up, we have Mew Mew, the cat, orange cat. Meow, meow, meow. She likes to play. Introducing Rocky Road. This is Rocky Road. He likes to jump really high. This is Sleepy Nene. She likes to sleep. And next up, Doggy Hooters. Doggy hairs. Doggy hair. This is doggy hair. And then next up, Nashelle. She is the sleeping cat's sister. Meow. She's really a diva. Two sister and brother, Kinsley and Hunter and Kinsley. They're the two twins that sleep up. Introducing Barbie, Chanel, and Stacy Chanel. Oh, look at Mew Mew. Let's give the babies food. Look at their pictures. I have to take their two pictures. Poor boys. Come on. Get up. Oh, you cute little puppers. It's time for you to play right there. Ruff, 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 ruff. You want to go play with Mew Mew? Oh, you guys love to play together. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh. And then, when I'm done playing, take everything out. I have to put everything where I want it to be in. Like you in there. You have to pack up for the day. Doggy. Okay, Papa. And then you'll have so much fun at home. Okay, my love. Oh, you just so cute. I can't resist it. Yeah. Pack up the shop for the night. How did it come? So I'm trying to close this. It came like I want the big. How do I? Oh. Put that all together. Or not. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.